All right, so here we are with the WellHose booth, and we've got their #1 salesman here, and he's a great guy, and he's a guy I've known for a while now, so it was absolutely great running into you, Nicholas. And so tell me a little bit, we've talked about it before in some previous videos, but tell me a little bit about the product line, so the WellHose, the bore line. I mean, what are the applications? What is the target market for that product?
Yeah, so thank you very much for coming out to the booth. We specialize in lay flat type hoses, and the bore line and the WellHose are made to replace the steel pipes and PVC pipes used with submersible pumps. And the advantage is they're totally non-corrosive, very easy to install and retrieve. And a lot of our target market is mines, and the #1 reason mines will go with the bore line, generally bigger diameters and deeper sets, is that it is very safe to work with. You can do all the prep work before you head out to the well. Advantage of the WellHose is also it's very easy to install and retrieve. This is one of our new speedy bolt. This is a 120 volt operated machine. You can either plug it into the electric from a wall, or you can just run a little 2 kilowatt generator. And Brian from Mark's Waterwell, he just purchased this machine here, so they want to work on areas where they cannot get big trucks to access the wells, overhead restrictions and things like that. So that's mainly the reason why people will go with these products. Very easy to install and retrieve, and long life, you know.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen anyone with a well retrieval system in the back of a pickup truck, so that's pretty exciting.
Yeah, that's
you want
something.
To give us a quick demonstration?
So what we've done in this case here, we've got 2,000 feet of 1 1/4 inch rolled up onto the speedy bolt. We've got the power cable at the top, so we can now go out to a well site. You can just start lowering this into the pump. We've just got a foot pedal, so you don't have to do anything. You just press the foot pedal and you'll see the pump will just go down, and down it goes.
That's pretty fast.
Yeah, that's pretty fast. We've got a little bit of a speed thing. I can even go faster if you want to go faster.
So how fast could you set a 1,000-foot well?
I would say it'll take about 40 minutes, beginning to end.
That's pretty speed.
All it'll be just one guy standing with his foot on the foot pedal.
Yeah.
So that's it. So you could, again, very safe, and just nobody. This thing doesn't have a hangover on a Monday morning either. So this is always ready to work.
Yeah.
You know, it doesn't take days off, and so that's very cool piece of equipment. Honestly, pretty affordable. People can obviously come to you. I know you guys are buying WellHose and bore line, and thank you for that. So, you know, pricing and all that kind of a thing, they can come to you for that. But it's a cool way to move on. I've seen in the decades I've been in the groundwater industry and visiting the NGWA, you see improvements in pumps and wet ends and filters and everything, but you don't see much happening in the drop pipe. And so this lay flat type hose for drop pipe is really, once people go with this, they don't go back.
Yeah.
And that's a big deal. And then by adding the equipment, it really just puts the cherry on the top.
Yeah, for sure. Well, I appreciate your time, Nicholas.
Yeah, cool.
My pleasure.
Thanks a lot. Always nice to
Absolutely.
see you guys.
Thanks again.
Thanks. See you guys.
All right, here we are with WellHose, and we're actually talking with Brian, one of their biggest customers, and he happened to be walking by, so we grabbed him. So Brian, what's been your experience using the WellHose product?
It's been very great. It's fast, easy to pull. You don't have to worry about not so much contaminations, but corrosion. With all your stainless steel fittings or your plastic fittings, you don't have to worry about pipe rotting out, the heaviness of pipes on your units and stuff like that. So with these machines, you're cutting down on the wear and tear of your trucks, because you're just spooling everything up, or you can use your trucks to pull it, and you're able to pull, like we pull 600 footers with a 6T hunky pulling unit with clamps, rather than using on a 600 footer of 6-inch steel, you're having to use way bigger units. So we're able to get smaller trucks in on locations to do the same job as you would with anything else, but you'd be able to do smaller trucks.
So while you're here, let's shamelessly plug your company. Who are you with?
I'm with Mark's Waterwell Service out of Odessa, Texas.
Well, thanks a lot for your time. We really appreciate you coming by.
Anything else, Nicholas? No, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.